Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Lower Door Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower door gasket. The lower door gasket is located at the bottom of the dishwasher door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's torn or damaged and you're getting water on the floor. We can open up the door and remove the 6 screws that hold the front panel onto the door. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to take them out. Now that we have the 6 screws out that hold the colored panel on, we can close the dishwasher door. And then on this model there's a screw on each corner that we have to take off. We're going to use a 1/4-inch socket to remove them. As you're pulling this screw out, you want to make sure that you hold this panel up so it doesn't fall out as you're removing the screw. Once you have the screw out, we can pull the panel off the dishwasher and set it aside. Now that we have the outer panel off, we can see the inner panel. There is a few different design variations on these. On some of them, there's these plastic rivets that hold it together. On others, there's 3 screws on each side. If you have that style, you can take out the 2 bottom ones and loosen up the upper one, and it'll make it easier to get the seal out. If you have these plastic rivets, it's okay. You don't have to take them out. It just makes it a little tighter to pull the seal out. Now that we're done with the inside panel, we can open up the dishwasher door. And then we're going to take a big screwdriver. And whether you have the type with the screws or the plastic rivets, you have to lift up on this corner so we can pull it out and go past this hinge right here. So we're going to lift it up and stick a small block of wood underneath it to hold it in place. Once you have your piece of wood in here, so you can lift up on this a little bit, you want to reach in with a needle nose and grab the lower door gasket and break it free so it slides back and forth. And then you have to kind of pull it out and guide it up over the hinge right here. Here's the old lower door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. On the gasket, this is the channel that you have to feed into the rim on the lower edge of the door. And then when you put it in, you want to make sure that the lip on this side is down, not up like this. Alright, to put the new lower door gasket in, you have to slide it in so it goes right on the rail right there. You may have to lift up on the door panel a little bit again so you can see in there. Just make sure you don't lift up so much that you damage it. Once you have it lined up and in the groove, you can push it the rest of the way in. Once you have it all the way in, you can very carefully remove your piece of wood. Now that we have the lower door gasket installed, we can close the dishwasher door. If you had the type of panel that you had to take the screws out, you can put those back in, and then we can put the front panel back on. To put the front panel on, all you have to do is line it up so the lip goes underneath the control panel and push it up into place. Then you can swing the bottom half underneath, and we can go down and put in these screws with our 1/4-inch socket at the bottom. Now we can open up the door and very carefully lower it down. And we can use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in that hold it together. Now that we have all the screws installed, we can close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.